Welcome back to withdrawals official. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add your bank details on Magnus. Yes, we are going to be looking at how you can actually add your bank details for payment, and also how to set up your profile, like adding your username on Magnus. So without wasting much of our time, let's proceed. So what you have to do now is that if you are on your dashboard like this, now head over and click on this three dash icon. So after clicking on the three dash icon, now navigate to settings. Let's click on settings. So after clicking on settings, you are going to see this place that says add payment details. Now click here. You see this particular place that says select bank. Understand? So let's click on select bank. After clicking on select bank, the list of bank is going to pop up right there. As you can see, these are the list of banks. So what we are going to do now is to, instead of us wasting time, you can just scroll it like this to check your bank, but I don't want to do that right now. So I'm going to for the shortcut, which is searching my bank. So I will just type, for example, I want to use money point. I will just type money point. You see, by typing it already pop up. Now let's click on the money point. You see I have, okay, let's do that again. Money point. So after selecting money point as my bank, now we have to click right there and enter our account number. So let's click on it to add our account number. I will now type in the money point account number. You see, so the next thing for you to do right now is to click on validate, and this will automatically validate your bank to see if it is correct or not. So if your account is correct, it's going to pop up your name, your account name. Understand? So now let's click on validate. You see, automatically it has validate and bring up my account name. So since everything is now okay, let's now proceed and click on add account. Okay, that's all. You know, I've already added my account before, so I cannot add my account twice. Now let's go back to setting up our profile by adding our username or any other thing that we need to do. So if you want to go to your profile, this is just what you need to do. Navigate to the same place, or you can just come right here to profile. After clicking on profile, you can now, if you want to add your picture or whatever, in case you love to do that, you can just do that here. If you click here, it's going to show you where to upload a new photo or any image that you want to use. So let's click on profile. After clicking on profile, you can see here I have access to edit my information such as full name, username. You see, email is read only, you cannot edit this. So once you register with a particular email, that one is done, you cannot change it. And phone number, I can change all these ones, the gender, your state, and everything. So let me add my name right here. Let me add my name. See, then I will just head over, and so after that you just scroll down and you hit save. So we are done. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. And most important thing, share this video to your friends so that they can also fix this on their account. Bye.